Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today is Wednesday, May 31st, 2023. It is 5:54 and 27 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, hologram surgery. So let's jump to it here. Holograms help physicians during cardiac procedure. Holographic display improves physician accuracy when treating irregular heartbeat. Date July 21st, 2020. Source: Washington University. In an ablation procedure using existing technology known as electroanatomic mapping system, a technician controls the catheters while the physician views the images on the monitors presented in two different planes. Engineers created software for the Microsoft HoloLens headset that converts the data from the catheters fed into the patient's heart into a geometric holographic image that hovers over the patient. The headset, which weighs roughly a pound, allows the physician to take control of the procedure by using his or her gaze to guide the controls and to keep hands free and sterile. Their system, Enhanced Electrophysiology Visualization and Interaction System, provides a 3D digital image of the patient's electroanatomic maps that provide a picture of the inside of the heart, which they can measure and manipulate during their procedure. Researchers say that the technology has caught up with the application. The headset allows the user to view his or her whole environment, including the patient, unlike virtual reality, which takes the user completely out of his or her environment. The old headsets were slow to update and made the user sick. The development of mobile phones and mobile technology and computer has enabled these kinds of displays and headsets. And to test the device, researchers received a short training session on the device before using it on a total of 16 pediatric patients. And during a post-procedure waiting phase, the physicians were given 60 seconds to navigate to each 5 target markers within the geometry of the heart using both 3D and 2D technology. The physicians were significantly more accurate with the 3D technology. Without the use of 3D display, a significant fraction of ablation lesions, 34%, would be made outside of the target area, as opposed to 6% with 3D display. We expect that this will improve patient outcomes and potentially reduce the need for repeat procedures. What ended up being equally important, if not more important, was that this was a springboard for everything that is to come. Not only that, we can visualize it better, but then we can control it. As there are people working in this extended reality space who have come to conclusions that the control is the strongest value add, particularly in medical applications. And this is a professor of advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.